Well, we are almost at 6 months living in Bulgaria. This is not a 6-month video, by the way. I did a 90-day, 3-month video, and I'll put a link into the description so you can watch that one. This video, and the reason why I'm not doing a true 6-month video is because I can count on 2 fingers what we've done, or what I've done at least, between the 90-day and the 180-day, the 3-month and the 6-month time frame. And basically, I've been enrolled in a Bulgarian language course, so that was like a 2-month course. And so I now have A1 certification, or A1 level of the Bulgarian language, which is just beginner stuff. And number 2, we were looking and searching, and we finally bought a Bulgarian house, a village house. So this video is basically about that particular effort and the result, so you want to stick around for that. We were searching for a village house, and we found one, and I'll take you a tour of that in a few minutes. But I just kind of wanted to explain the reasoning of a village house. You're like, Les, why? You have an apartment, in the city. Are you moving? Are you going to live out in the villages now? Well, no. Yes and no. What a lot of Bulgarians do is the ones that live in the city, they also have a house in the village. A few reasons for that. One is when it's blistering hot in the summer, they can escape to their village house, for the weekend, for a week, or whenever. A lot of times, depending on the location of the village, it can be much cooler than living in the city. Another big reason is a lot of the Bulgarians that live in the city have no place to grow vegetables and fruit and whatnot. So having a village house gives you some land for you in a yard, a garden, and allows you to grow those things. Although we've only been living in Bulgaria for 6 months, we've owned an apartment in the city for, 9 years. 2017, we bought a new apartment in the city, and we love it. It's great. It's close to everything, walking distance to everything. But Lily's always had her heart set on having a vegetable garden, fruit garden, some land to grow vegetables. Not a whole lot of land. I mean, we're retired, so we don't want to be doing a ton of work. But so we were looking around, and I had just a few must-haves. It must not require a lot of renovation. A lot of village houses these days that you can get pretty cheap are dilapidated and have been neglected for years and years, and you spend more renovating it than the purchase price. So it had to be pretty much move-in ready. I can handle some minor repairs and such. So that was a big must-have. It also must be close to where we are in the city. I don't want to be driving an hour and a half to the village house. So that was another criteria. And those are the main ones. And enough of the land to be able to set up a garden, a vegetable garden. One more criteria that was a must-have was that if it was a 2-story village house, and most of them are, the staircase has to be inside. The traditional Bulgarian house, at least a village house, the staircase is on the outside. So you have to go out of your house, go upstairs to the bedroom, or whatever would be upstairs, and more than likely you have to, in the middle of the night, you want to go to the refrigerator and get some juice or something. You have to go outside, go down, and come back in. So inside staircase was a must-have as well. And it had to have a bathroom. We wanted 2 bathrooms, so minimum 2 bathrooms inside. Again, old houses may not have a bathroom inside. Could have an outhouse, or outbuilding, on your property, but you have to go outside to do your business. Not this guy. So we looked at 2 or 3 houses in the village, and when it all came down to it, we decided on one, and it happens to be in the local mountains, and it's only 25 minutes away. So it's has enough elevation. I think it's about 800 meters to be cooler, definitely much cooler than in the city. And it's pretty much a brand new house. A guy bought the land 2 or 3 years ago and built this house and just used it every now and then, you know, on the weekends and whatnot. And it has only been finished for maybe a year. And yeah, he decided to sell it, and we lucked out and found it. It met all of our must-haves, and as a bonus, it's fully furnished, and the touches are nice. The furniture everything is new. All the appliances in the kitchen, the furniture, the beds. I mean, it's all pretty much new. The kitchen itself is more of a Western kitchen, so open style with planetary countertops, and yeah, it's really nice. So it's a blend of Bulgarian and Western, you know, like in North America. So very nice. So let me take you on a quick tour of the house. And this is our house. It's a 2-story, as you can see. It has an inside staircase, 2 bathrooms, and it's just 25 minutes from where we live in the city. It definitely checked all of our boxes on the wish list. From the driveway up over the tree to yet another view. This is the dining room area right here, looking into the living room. And the open kitchen, Western architecture style. It has an electric, flat stovetop and convection oven. And a nice coffee machine, by the way, nice espresso maker. And this is a dining area. And this is a cuckoo clock that we brought from the States. We had in our California condo. This fireplace also heats up the water that goes to all the radiators in the house. The coffee table, the dining room table, and the little cabinet next to the dining room table are made from Indian wood. So the furniture was either made in India or the wood just came from India. The high ceilings we love. We love a lot of the woodwork in here. And here's a view from the living room, from the living room back toward the dining room and kitchen area. And yes, many Bulgarian staircases do not have railings. At least ours has built-in lights. Let's go check it out upstairs. We got wood floors, wood ceilings. This is the master bedroom. And a view to the outside. We have a creek running behind that concrete wall, and that's what we use to water the garden. You can see the beginnings of the garden here. We had just dug it, and planted a lot of seeds and seedlings. You'll see it later in the video. I show the garden and how much it's grown. So both bedrooms have access to this upstairs balcony, which gives a great view of the mountains here and of the Struma Valley. There's our driveway and gate from the balcony, as well as the patio downstairs. And we have some fruit trees. We have fig, peach, apricot, apple, and cherry trees. This is the guest bedroom. Again, with the nice wooden ceilings and the beams. The view from the guest bedroom. As well as its access to the balcony through the door here. And at the top of the stairs, there's a small balcony, faces the south side of the building. And we have walnuts. And the walnut tree right there. Although the tree is not on our property, it does hang over, and we will have access to the walnuts. They're not quite ready yet. That was the firewood with the septic system. Now, a septic system is its own little mini wastewater treatment plant. It actually treats the water and puts it straight back into the creek. Here's a bathroom and shower. With the boiler in there as well. And it also has a towel warmer / heater. So here's the garden, how it looks more recently. It's still grown since I've recorded this, but this is a few weeks after I recorded the first clips. So some corn, beans, tomatoes, peppers, squash, cucumbers, some grapes, and then we have flowers. There's a little rose bush over here on the left, at the top there. And some flowers that were just planted recently. Some of them are sunflowers. This is the upper garden, as I call it. Just a small little place up on the elevated part of the land. Whereas the lower garden is the main garden, the bigger one. And those are the pipes we use to get the water from the creek. They're PVC, and I just put them together and stick it in the creek, and it siphons down into here, and the water flows through these trenches that you see, and then goes in between the rows. Now on the south side of the house, Lily planted some flowers. There's not much sun here, so these are not direct sun type of flowers. And on this side, it gets partial sun, like later in the day. I guess this faces west. Our patio, our yard with some of the fruit trees. What we've also done, we added screens, or as they call them, mosquito nets, in Bulgaria to all the doors and windows. For the doors, they slide open like this. It makes it a little more compact. Here's the upstairs balcony one. It slides open as well. And the windowed screens, the screens for regular windows, they swing out. It's just like a door, so you can get access to whatever you need to do to clean the glass or to go on the outside. The bedroom balcony doors have the sliding accordion screens, they call it. They work really well. So I hope you liked the video, and I hope you like our house. And if you do, please subscribe, please like, and until next time, see ya.